Without any distractions, let's jump to the video content. In this video, I have this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G variant. Its code name is LE2125. Besides, it is blazing fast performance and amazing camera setup. Here it's locked with the patron and I have completely forgotten it. So in this video, you will learn that how to remove the patron lock of this phone if in case you will forget. In order to remove its patron lock, first power this phone. By the way, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. After the complete shutdown, now just press and hold this power and volume down key simultaneously. Press and hold until the OnePlus logo appears. And after that, just release both the keys. Now you can see that we are landed on the stock recovery of this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Here we are going to erase the pattern of this phone, but here it's again asking our patron lock. But to tackle this, we have to tap here on this forget password. Be aware that by removing the patron lock of this phone, you will lose everything like music, pics, etc. or any data that you have in your phone. So make sure to backup that first if you can. Just tap on this OK. Now you can see a warning, this can't be undone, continue. Once again tap on this OK. Now you can see that it's wiping all the data and wiping the pattern too. So it is not completed yet. We are just one step away from our desired results. So now it is just rebooting into the system. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to land on the home screen. But I think so that your time is so much precious. So that's why I'm just fast forwarding this section to save your precious time. Here you can see that it's landed on the home screen successfully. So the last step is if you face the factory reset protection. That means that if your phone is asking for the last Google account that was connected with this device, watch my next video. The link of that video is given in the description and at the end screen of this video. So you may check that. I have also uploaded the videos about OnePlus 9 Pro 5Gs and OnePlus 9 IMEI repair page, patron unlocking, bootloader and many other steps. So you can check my channel and there you will find a playlist about it. No fake, no scams. I really hope that this content helped you, and if it did, we are just going to see each other for the last time if you are not going to subscribe me. Hope for the best. I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep watching, keep smiling.